Video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable your backlit or keyboard light on your MacBook Air. Okay, now you just want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to enable your backlit or keyboard light on your MacBook Air from newer versions to old versions. This works on all MacBook Air laptops. Now you just want to follow these simple steps like I said, but before I start, please drop a like. I made this video about MacBook Air and the video got like 30,000 views and likes are only like 100. So if you can drop a like on the video, that would be highly appreciated. Now the first thing guys you want to do, you want to look for, let me show you guys what you want to do. Now you want to look for F5 in the top of your keyboard. You want to look for F5. Okay, now F5 to decrease the brightness of your keyboard light on your MacBook Air, and F6 if you want to increase the brightness. Okay, F6. Now if it doesn't work, you want to click on F1 to decrease the brightness. This is like I'm talking about in the top. I'm talking about the keys in the top of your MacBook Air. You will find F1 and F2. You want to click on F1 if you want to decrease the brightness, and F2 if you want to increase the brightness. Okay, I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.